Okay, it is October 3rd, 2018. We're supposed to be having the national level emergency alert system tests any minute now. I've got my phone right there, which can indeed pick up emergency alert notices. I've got my transistor right there. That's the TV right there. According to the documentation, my cell phone is supposed to go off first. Then it'll happen radio and TV about 2 minutes later. At least that's when the notices are supposed to be sent out. No idea when they're supposed to be received. So, I'm just doing this now in case they come in slightly early. Gonna feel a wee bit silly if they don't come in at all. But yeah, just give it a second, see what all happens. Alrighty. Any minute now. Just clipped to 117. It's supposed to be cell phone at 118 local and everything else at 120 local, so any minute now. Alrighty. No, I am not even going to attempt to monetize this video, even if I could. I'm just doing it to try and take a record of everything if possible. Okay, the bandwidth master boundaries, and it just tipped over. So, any minute now. Because that transistor uses batteries too, just like this camera. Fortunately, it's all AA, so I can buy in bulk. And yes, that's fit right there on the bag. Let's see what happens if everything does go. Okay. 1:18 local time is what it's saying. I'll give it 2-3 more minutes to see what happens. If not, I'm going to reset in an hour and see what happens. Yeah, give it about 3 minutes, and then reset in an hour, see what happens. I'm gonna feel really silly if nothing goes on. Here we go. Presidential alert. This is a test of the National Wireless Emergency Alert System. No action is needed through October 2018, 1:18 p.m. So that is going. That is good. So that was the phone alert, people. And so TV and radio should be going any minute now. Alrighty. So let's see how long it takes for everything to make it through the system. Any minute now. If it happens while I'm changing the batteries in this camera, I ain't gonna be too happy. Alrighty. Come on. I think it's about to happen on the TV. Okay, I'm getting the alert tone on the radio, but nothing on the TV. No audio, just the emergency alert notification.
New guidelines could mean that now you are. Give us a call, and we'll give you a Quicken Loans mortgage review. It's simple and easy.
Well, that's it. The official 2018 Emergency Alert System test. Worked just fine on my cell phone, even if it was pure coincidence. I flipped it open right at the moment. Got the message on TV, but no audio. Audio on the radio, so bit of a mixed bag. Well, catch y'all later.